What's up guys, it's YouTube here and welcome back to another video. Today we are on Rainy Chapter 2 again, and today we are stepping up our process, well, our skill if you will. Does that make sense? Yeah, I think so. But I'm gonna just get, should I just get Granny or Grandpa? Actually, I'm gonna get them both on easy. So we are not stepping up our process, but our skill, but the escape routes that you've probably read from the title is the helicopter one. So it's kind of hard to escape from the helicopter. You need the gasoline, you need the duct tape, you need the glass fuse, you need so many things. You need the three paint the piece of pictures, and you need at least a weapon to shoot with. So it ain't easy. Just okay, let's just set up the volume. Yeah, okay, just like so. I'll just try to handle it. Oh, okay, this is what we need. This is something we actually need. Oh yeah, Grandpa and Granny. Bye bye, both of you. Nothing? Oh, nothing we need. Oh no. Okay, we've got one piece. Alright, I'll take this. Helicopter manual? Yep, we need it. Quickly. Oof! Granny! Granny, I'm waiting. 99, Granny! Bow! Oh yeah, I see you too, bro. Come by, dude. 99, Grandpa. Bow! There you go. This is what you deserve, you... I'm not gonna say anything. Flip over! Oh, dude. Flip over! I need... Flip over, dude. I need your key, there. Alright, let's leave that there, so even if this gets locked, we still have our way. Okay. Save key. Alright. Bring it quick. Come on. Spider baby, unfortunately nobody will come for you today. Alright, door handle. Even if we don't need it, I'm just gonna place it here. Alright. There she is. Rainy? What you up to, bro? Bow! What you up? Ooh. She's doing gymnastic. Oof. You wanted to call me. Bow! You're not catching me today, bro. You're slow, dude. You're trash. One piece. Duct tape. We need it. Okay. Where were the other two pieces? I can't remember where the third one is. I don't even think I found it, but alright, it's fine. Hopefully there's nothing where the spider baby is, otherwise we gotta do that pattern too, and that will be way longer. Everything is good. Don't need these, but anyways, I'll bring them on onto the top floor. Okay, put them there. Now the only thing is, Granny and Grandpa could have respawned. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. 1, 2. Okay, my shotgun is fully loaded. There is Granny. Here. Bow! Bye bye, Dad. See you soon, bro. Where's your husband at? There he is. Come. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Well, after this toxic moment. Nighty-night, bro. I'm not even tryharding, dude. I'm being insanely strategic. This is what the 2000 IQ plays give you. No death, no nothing. They give you insane jump scares. Oh, there's the helicopter key. Alright, we don't need it for the moment, but we will need it soon. Okay. Nobody coming? Alright, door lock. I mean... Oh yeah, the spider baby has the crowbar. That's the only thing I haven't found. Bye, Granny. I need to go. Quick. Come on. Please. Please. I'm being so strategic, dude. Give me what I deserve. Alright. We're good. Let's actually see what the spider baby actually has. Yeah, the crowbar, as I said. We open the door. Let's go outside. What? Okay. There we go. This where the infinite aimers come from. And I need my shotgun. Come on. I'm sending it. Oh no, Grandpa's seen me. Run. Hopefully Granny isn't somewhere here. Please, Granny, don't be here. Come on. You've got loads of places to go. Can we actually complete this in one life only? Can we actually make it? Don't fall. Don't fall. Yeah, good. I've never been this strategic before. Not even in Fortnite, just to... Oh yeah, there you are. Bye, Granny. See you later. Grandpa, come on. I'm waiting. Well, I'm not waiting still because I just don't wanna. I see you. Oh yeah, I see you too, but you don't. Yeah, Grandpa, this dude right here, Grandpa ain't too predictable because he's actually like, he spawns 50-50, so he doesn't have like a fixed spawn or somewhere you can get him from. So this is the thing. You can't get him like guaranteed. You don't know if he is gonna be there guaranteed because he can be anywhere. Alright, let's train my aim. Boom! We've got this, boys. Let's get so many ammos because I needed to reload it afterwards. Come on. Hopefully the ammo doesn't... Yup, there we go. And now this is not usable anymore. Let's get this. The glass fuse. Okay, I'm not gonna go there because I'm gonna fall. There we go, we placed it. Now we can safely walk here. And there we go. This thing is the helicopter. Alright. The rotor blade. We need to fix that. Alright. Nighty night, Grandpa. Nighty night, Granny. If it's on the top here, we won. If it's on the top, yeah, it's on the top. Yeah, let's go. We won, dude. 3, 2, 1. Fuel her up, fuel her up. Alright, we got it. Where's this thing? Bye-bye. Where's the key? Here it is. Come on, helicopter key. Go, 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 go. We are escaping from the brand new route. Well, it's not brand new, but it's new for me. Ha! We figured it out. Oh my. Okay, what happened? Do I have to pilot this or what? The music is awesome. Here we go. Alright. There they are. How'd you get here, guys? Go chop him with the blade. Go on, get back. No, chop him with the blade. Oh, wouldn't that be amazing? Yeah, let's go. We completed it. Defeated them. There we go. Granny Chapter 2 fully complete. Well guys, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe with the bell for more awesome videos. And I'll see you next later.